hello to all my fellow crafters and card makers, customers, demonstrators, and if you're a total beginner, welcome to my channel. I'm here today because yesterday I got a delivery from my UPS guy and he dropped off my stuff from the new catalogue, so I wanted to share it with you. So I'm just doing this pre-launch. Sorry if I mess up. Just showing you what I got in from the new mini catalogue. So the first thing I received, I'm going to show you, is called the supple shimmer. So you get 2 sheets of this 12 by 12. Oh, is it 2 sheets? I believe it's 2 sheets of this lovely shimmery, it's gorgeous shimmery paper. I wonder if you can see that pink and a sort of a iridescence. God, it's really cute. Tell me what you think, you know. I thought I'd just jump in and show you that. I also received, you know, I love embossing, so I received from the new catalogue also this stripes and splatters, it's called. Stripes and splatters. So I'm looking forward to making some textured card with the actual embossing folder. I hope you like that. What else did I get? I do love punches. So my first punch is, it's called the Hello Ladybug. I hope you can see that. Hello Ladybug. It's gorgeous, and that's the punch. That's really, really cool. I just can't wait to try these things out. I like new stuff. I do. And that's a lovely bundle to get, you know. So good thing to try out from the mini catalogue. Those of you that are not purchase anything from Stampin Up, then you need to, or you want to join the team to get stuff before the 1st of January, just join the team. But here you go. My next punch is the hedgehog punch. I do like that. Happy hedgehog. I do like hedgehogs. I think I've known I've liked them for a long time, and I didn't realise how passionate I were about them. But I have a hand puppet that I've had for 29 years. I'll have to show you that in my next video. Then I got, because I got the rainbow kit, I haven't got it, but I bought a cloud. I thought that would go nicely with the rainbow thing, so I purchased that also. As I said, I'm a sucker for punches, so help me to sort of like use these things. You know, it's like candy. You just can't wait to have it. It's so sweet. Oh, also I purchased some ephemera from the, I'll tell you what that's from the Abstract Beauty. So this is what that looks like, the ephemera from that suite. Oh, that looks really nice, doesn't it? That's really nice, this ephemera. Okay. I don't know, maybe you can give me some suggestions of what I can do with that anyway, but ephemera is good for layering. This is the latest one, the ephemera 4x6. Ephemera 4x6. This is not ephemera. What am I saying? This is the Abstract Beauty special designer paper. But this is so cool. It's double-sided as well. That's what's so wonderful about that. And the other thing I just noticed with that, you can actually, it's perfect size for, which I just did that randomly, card bases. Can you see that? That looks really, really cool. So cool. So the little bit extra, you can cut that off and insert that inside of your card. So I just think that is going to be easy, quick, real easy, quick cards to make. Tell me what you think. I thought I'd get some of these Slimline cards, even though I like making envelopes myself. This is soft succulent and looks like smoky grey slate, and it's not quite basic white, but these are the Slimline cards, and inside I've lined them with the which looks pretty. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. So giving a try to those as well. So yes, what else did I get? I got some other stuff. Now, because this is in, oh no, I got also the embossing Stamp and Emboss Amazing Thanks. It comes with this other stamp set, which again, when I've looked at it, you kind of, what can I say to this? It's like, thanks and amazing you, but you can cut out the actual word, but you can also cut out the outside. So these would be great for thank you cards. So I chose well. I didn't buy much. I always say I didn't buy much, but it just does seem like a lot, doesn't it? You can't help yourself. And this time round, I thought I will get a couple of kits, because I keep raving about them in Stampin' Up. I thought, well, this is really for a total beginner who's never done Stampin' Up before. And I thought, let me just give them a try and see what. So this first one is called the No Matter the Weather card kit. And what comes inside is the you get a block, you get a basic grey, you get all the bits that you need to go with that, even the stamp set, the let me get out of the box. So no matter what card kit, you get all what you need to create these nice little, with the instructions. So that should be fun. And I also got another card kit. As I said, I want to give them a try for simple quick cards, because you can create them and make good gifts, or you can just give the card kit to someone for Christmas who's just beginning. This one's called Love Santa card kit, so I have to use these ones before Christmas, but the other one I thought, well, you know, give it a try. And in this one, the Love Santa tag, you get inside Night of Navy block, Mary, oh, okay, this should be, and you get block, you get the twine, you get all the bells and whistles in that box. Now, with this, as you know, it's a celebrations, and with celebrations, you have to spend minimum £45 to actually get free gifts. So I did spend quite, you know, more than £45, as you can see with the stuff that I purchased. And what did I get free? You must ask me, what did I get free? Well, I couldn't help myself. I got, because my first £90, I've got this friendly hello, and with that it comes with designer paper, so that comes together, so that's a good deal in itself. I suppose you want to see what the paper looks like. The paper's called Friendly Hello as well, so this is like a, when you purchase £90, you can get that. So interesting. Some of the paper's interesting. Flowers. So it should be exciting to use. I have to use it soon. So, as I said, if you want to spend £90 and you fancy this kit, then you can get the two together for free from the Sale-a-Bration Catalogue. Also, I don't think this is everybody's favourite paper. But this came free, and this one's called the Simply Marvellous. Marvellous, not marvellous, marvellous. That's quite interesting. So, I don't know. Tell me what you think. It's really, really, really nice. A lot of paper. I might have to give some of this away. And because I got the rainbow dies in my, watch my other video on Facebook, I got the Sunshine and Rainbows designer paper. This is another free gift. So you can get some free stuff when you are purchasing from the new catalogue, and that is really, really nice. Look, I think that could be cut out by the punch actually. So the punch has really some good uses in that. Really nice paper. With two sides as well. So thank you for watching. I hope that was interesting. So I just wanted to show you what I purchased today. Well, yesterday. I hope that went well. Thank you again. Just don't forget to subscribe and leave some wonderful comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.